Hi everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to quickly and simply combine two photographs using Canva. Let's begin. To begin, select Create a Design and launch a new project. I've decided to use the Landscape A4 size for this example. Upload the two pictures you wish to combine now. Simply right-click on it and pick Set Image as Background to set one as the background. The second image you wish to mix with the background should then be chosen. This is where the magic occurs. Search for Image Blender under Apps. Click Blend Selected Image after selecting the Image Blender application. There are two blending options available in the app: Linear Effect, Radial Effect. I'll use the Radial Effect for this tutorial. By moving the effect's center to fit your layout and dragging the strength slider, you may change the settings. Click Save as soon as you're satisfied with the way the image combines. There you have it. The background and your image have now been expertly merged together. To ensure that your design fits precisely, you can make last-minute changes like scaling or rearranging. That's it. In less than a minute, you combine two pictures, making it ideal for presentations, social media posts, and other creative endeavors. Please remember to hit the bell button, like, and subscribe if you found this video useful. This will ensure that you don't miss any of my future Canva tutorials. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the future one.